Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the topic which is Tyndall effect. So first of all, what is Tyndall effect? We have a two type of solution. One is true solution and this is colloidal solution. True solution has a particle size less than 1 nanometer. In colloidal solution, size of particle is between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. When we pass light through both the solution, the path of light is not visible in case of true solution, but this path is visible in case of colloidal solution. This is called Tyndall effect. This effect was first observed by Faraday and later detailed study by John Tyndall. Therefore, it is called Tyndall effect. Let's see. I have a two type of solution. One is true solution, which is distilled water. This is colloidal solution in which I have mixed 2 or 3 drops of milk in water. Let's see. When we pass light through the colloidal solution, true solution, the path of light is not visible. But when I pass light through the colloidal solution, you can see that the path of light is visible in colloidal solution. This is Tyndall effect. Now, what is the cause of Tyndall effect? We can see the path of light through the colloidal solution, not the true solution. Because in colloidal solution, there is scattering of light by the colloidal particles. ट्रू सॉल्यूशन में वाटर के अंदर कोई ऐसा पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट नहीं है जो लाइट की स्कैटरिंग कर सके. बट अगर हम बात करें कोलॉइडल सॉल्यूशन की, जहां पे हमने मिल्क मिक्स किया है, तो मिल्क के अंदर पार्टिकल्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट प्रेजेंट है और जैसे ही इन पार्टिकल्स के ऊपर लाइट पड़ेगी, ये पार्टिकल्स जो है उस लाइट की स्कैटरिंग कर देंगे, जिसकी वजह से हमें लाइट का पाथ जो है वो दिखाई देगा, जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल है हमारे टिंडल इफेक्ट के लिए. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टिंडल इफेक्ट? वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन ट्रू सॉल्यूशन एंड कोलॉइडल सॉल्यूशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ टिंडल इफेक्ट. टिंडल इफेक्ट is also used to devise an instrument known as ultra microscope. This is all about Tyndall effect. Thank you. Have a nice day.